Hi, my name is Battistelli, and today I'm going to explain some of the scenes and banks that I have set up for the Korg. As of now, I have like 30 banks, and I'm going to be making some short videos, maybe doing 4 or 5 banks at a time so the video doesn't become too long. And I'm going to start off with bank 1, going through the scenes. And being an accordion player, I love the sound of an accordion. So in a lot of my scenes, I have set up an accordion sound that is really, really nice. And you can get to it any time in a bank just by hitting the chin switch. And it'll automatically take you to F, is where I have the accordion assigned. So I'm just going to go through these real quick. I have accordion and strings and piano, so hit the palm switch, palm switch, palm switch again. Real nice Saxon organ. Then this accordion is so pretty. And if I'm in A and I'm playing the strings and accordion, and I want to get to the accordion, all I have to do is hit my chin switch. So in this case, I'm going to start with A, and I'm going to, again, I want you to understand I'm not trying, this has nothing to do with my ability to play the accordion. It has to do with what I've created in banks and scenes. So I'm going to start with a song called That's All. Then just by hitting the palm, hit the palm switch. Then the great accord. Okay, now I can go to bank 2 and go through the scenes, and if I want to play the same song with just a different variety of scenes, I could do that. Just go to 2, and I could start with 1, scene A with the clarinet. Clarinet and horns, and then accordion, horns, and strings. Guitar with the organ. Accordion. And remember, anytime you want to get to the accordion, all you have to do is hit the chin switch, and it will take you directly to the accordion. And then by hitting the palm switch, you can start all over again, going through A. All right, so that takes care of bank 1 and 2. Bank 3, I have set up for country. So again, there's a whole bunch of different scenes that I have set up. So I'll just start. Now it's with the violin. use that with the violin. Then the two guitars pan left and right. And by pulling the accordion, then I have the strings with the vibes. Then the guitar and organ. Okay, that's how I have Bank 3 set up with all these different sounds. So you got the, and when you hit it, and then hitting the palm switch, you got your, use that with the violin. And the guitars, as I said before. Pull the accordion. Strings and vibes. Then the guitar with the organ. Okay, so that's Bank 3. Now, Bank 4, I've set up for Cleveland style and European style polkas. So the Korg is amazing because it can do something that no other accordion, a digital accordion, can do, not even a Roland. I can go from a master, which I have set in A, and when I hit the palm switch, it goes straight to a high. You know, like the old, like Petro Dario had his set up years and years ago, the old Excelsiors back in the 30s. And this is so unique because a lot of times you just don't have time to hit a switch or something, but with the palm switch right there, it makes it so nice. So it just keeps going back and forth, you know. So I'll just do, oh, by the way, if you go to C, then you have the organ with it. So go back to A, and this will take you right back to A. So I'll just do it. Palm switch. Then, like I said, if you hit the palm switch, you're going to go back to the master. So that takes care of the Cleveland style. Now, if you want to go across the pond, play the European style, I've got that set up in D. So it's a real nice tuba. So I'll play just something. with the trumpet. And now